KevG weather overview looking at a flood watch for the most of the area except for Suffolk County and out towards the east end of Connecticut. That's because of all the rain that we've had over the last 6 to 10 weeks. It's truly remarkable. So it's not going to take much for any one area to flood, and that's why the National Weather Service has this watch up for Thursday afternoon through Friday morning. I think the bulk of it falls in a 3 to 6 hour period, and then it's just residual showers after that. Timing is going to be tricky. Figure between 4 p.m. and 10 p.m., and then lesser rain amounts after that, and then gradual clearing on Friday. So that's kind of the game plan for tomorrow. And this could be an issue for the evening commute, especially where the rain decides to set up shop. You figure the further west you go, the higher the chances you're going to have for heavy rain during the evening commute on Thursday. Now, the Weather Prediction Center, they have a slight risk for excessive rainfall for the entire area. Even though Suffolk is not in the flood watch, they are in line possibly for excessive rain. It's just that they've had less rain over the past 6 to 10 weeks as compared to the area that's in the flood watch. So therefore, the flood watch is not in effect for Suffolk, but yet they could still be in line for flash flooding tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. It's a slow-moving front, and the NAM model is not doing the best job with this. It disagrees with the going forecast that I saw tonight from the National Weather Service. The NAM would have you believe that this stuff moves in quicker with heavier rain and potential thunderstorms, looking like a very good possibility. But you see, the overall general theme of the model, what it's doing, is important because it's very slow frontal passage, and that's why these flood watches are up. That's why we have a shot at some heavy rain, just kind of training over the area, just not really moving much. And then by Friday, even though we clear it out some, it's going to be gradual. And over the Twin Forks of Long Island and parts of Suffolk, it's going to be a slow clear. I mean, you could definitely get some rain as part of the overall package there on Friday, with lesser amounts further west as the front slowly kind of snakes through the region. Now, the overall pattern, I think you could say bye-bye, baby, to summer in terms of summertime temperatures as far as it's concerned. Our normal highs for this time of year are basically 70 to 75. I think that's basically what we're going to do. I think Kennedy hit 80 today, Central Park hit 79. But that's going to be the warmest day that we'll have over the next 5 to 7 days. The pattern just doesn't support it. You can see off the GFS model here for next Sunday night and a Monday, you got an active northern stream. And that's going to be moving through cold fronts every couple of days. And it may even turn a bit unsettled here by next Tuesday and Wednesday as we get some sort of a cutoff low pressure to develop in the upper atmosphere. And that could spell trouble for our temperatures and cloud cover, and also rainfall chances as far as next week is concerned. After Monday, it looks a little dicey as far as the overall accuracy and predictability of the forecast is concerned, just because you have these upper features that are just starting to slow down and just kind of pivot over the area. Thursday's high temperatures, the Weather Service has 78. I don't buy it. I think we're going to be mired in cloud cover and southerly winds. I think 70 to 75 will probably do it for most of the region. And Friday, you can see that the temperatures take a tumble into the lower 70s, and that's because the front moves through with leftover clouds. Saturday, about where we should be this time of year, maybe slightly above normal with highs around 75. A nice weekend on tap, maybe a shower on Sunday, but I don't see anything really crazy as far as measurable rain widespread anyway. Could be a few passing showers on Sunday, but other than that, not really much going on. A very nice fall weekend as we close out the month of September almost. This is the last weekend of September coming up, and then we get into Monday, highs around 73, 74 should do it. And then I think it's going to be a little bit tricky to figure out what's going on after Monday as we deal with the atmosphere sort of recharging and sending upper air disturbances our way, and they may not be quick to move out of the picture, and that's going to be telling as far as the overall weather pattern is concerned. So look out for flooding rains tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and then it'll set us up for a pretty decent weekend around here as we start to move into the waning days of September.